March 2026, as tension exploded across the Middle East between Iran, Israel, and the United States, a curious calm fell over Saudi Arabia. For nearly 3 whole months of the reign of Iranian-backed missiles targeting Saudi soil suddenly stopped. Was it a triumph of regional diplomacy, a masterclass in peacekeeping, or was it a multi-shadowy, multi-million dollar oil game played in the dark? Recent reports from the Times of Israel citing informed intelligence sources reveal a bombshell claim. Pakistan's Army Chief General Asim Munir didn't just mediate peace, he allegedly leveraged a secret joint oil smuggling transport venture with Iran's Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps (IRGC) to make it happen. Let's trace the thread back to late 2025. Facing crushing US sanctions and intense pressure on its ports, Iran was looking for economic lifelines. According to intelligence sources, a secretive oil transport operation began running between military-linked networks in Pakistan and Iran. Fast forward to late March, with regional war escalating, General Munir reportedly utilized his close business ties with high-ranking Iranian official Ahmad Wahid. The proposal, a classic quid pro quo. Iran keeps its missiles away from Saudi Arabia, and in return, the lucrative off-the-books oil transport network continues uninterrupted. For nearly 90 days, the arrangement held. But over the weekend, a missile was fired towards Saudi Arabia, threatening to break the silence. What happened next reveals the true nature of its arrangement. According to the report, Pakistan's army chief didn't just issue a diplomatic warning, he reportedly warned Iranian officials that if such strikes continued, the joint oil business would be shut down. The result? The missile launches stopped immediately. Critically, diplomat sources point out the ethical dilemma here, where peace is bought not through treaties but while leveraging clandestine commercial ventures. It raises severe questions about the regional security. Why would Pakistan's military apparatus play the dangerous game? Intelligence analysts suggest a long-term strategic play by making Riyadh dependent on Islamabad for its covert security mediation. Pakistan seeks to cement its necessity to Saudi Arabia while reaping economic benefits behind the scenes. Similar allegations of secret deals with Iran have previously surfaced regarding other regional players, though those nations firmly denied them. But the pattern is clear. Behind the scenes of Middle Eastern conflict, shadow economies often dictate the flow of missiles. Is this tactical diplomacy or a troubling mix of national security and private business interests? While official channels remain silent, this report exposes just how complex and compromised Middle Eastern geopolitical games have become. What do you think about these allegations? Let us know in the comment below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe more for deep dive strategic analysis.